Okay, hello. Today I'm hoping to take you on a little short trip in the Muni, which is our metro system, and you will get to see a cable car. Not a cable car, I mean a streetcar. And hopefully we'll be able to see one. I hear one coming behind me. Is it true? Yep, that's one of the cable. That's one of the streetcars. And if you see this way, you can actually see the way that Market Street looks, and at the far end is the Perry building. Okay, there goes the cable car. I always call them cable cars, but it's actually a streetcar. Cable cars have a cable under the earth. This one doesn't. Okay? So we'll stop right now. Actually, we're gonna take the yellow one because the other one just didn't stop. Hello. Hi. Thank you. So, here we are. Yeah, that's the one that didn't stop. So this is kind of like the entrance to the Castro. This is the gay district. And you will see some kind of like icons, like this restaurant coffee shop that you're going to see right now. It's called Orphan Andy's, where if the waiter was not rude to you, you did not get any good service. Here it is, Orphan Andy's. That's the gay flag. And here you go. We're crossing the street. Construction going on, but you can see. And that's the tour for now. So we're going to take a little trip down 18th Street to my local yarn store, one of them anyway. So here we are, my local yarn store. We're going to take a peek. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Excellent.
So that's the one that we just left. This is the area between Peak and the supermarket, kind of. So we're going to attempt to cross the street. We actually are going to cross the street. That, by the way, is the U.S. Mint. The San Francisco Mint. It's probably like 4 knots. But hey, we're going to have the chance to cross the street. And we'll be in the supermarket soon. Fruits everywhere. One canary, these are nice. Okay. You can't complain, I'm giving you a tour, I'm talking to myself. Oh. I'm gonna go for the milk. So I did go to the store and I finished by buying the milk. and something happened to the video. I don't know, it just didn't record. It did record, it just I couldn't add it. And I did actually buy some bamboo yarn, which is some kind of bamboo yarn that I've been trying to see what it's like. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the trip.